हॉबी मीन्स इट शुड नॉट ऑफर यू मनी. अगर ऑफर करेगा मनी फिर कॉम्पिटिटिवनेस अंदर घुस जाएगा. So something that does not offer you money, that you do out of pure love for it, that should be one thing that you should look forward to towards the end of your day or your week. Maybe not every day, because every day you will look forward to meet your family. That should be your ritual. But at least in a week, once or twice in a week, you should look forward to that love. वो दूसरा प्यार, वो तुम्हारी बीवी का, मतलब your next second, your other half का जो सौतन है ना, that should be that your hobby. वो they would also love it, you know. And I would give my own example, you know. Initially when I started writing, it was never a hindrance for my wife. It would never take away hours from her. Why? Because I used to write when I used to wait in receptions of my client, waiting for them to call me inside. I used to write in my mobile. I write when I'm probably, you know, have taken my mobile into the loo and I'm, you know, scrolling through. Usually people scroll through to see the reels I write. So it depends. So what I mean to say here is that you'll have to पालो one. मैं यही बोलूँगा, एक hobby पालो and look forward to it and create boundaries, soft boundaries. मतलब एक होता है soft time, एक होता है hard time. The hard time is the hard time which gives you money, which is your work, which is your job. Soft time is the soft time which gives softness, which gives you more love, which is your family. तो soft time को काट के hard time मत बढ़ाओ. हार्ड टाइम बढ़ाओगे तो हार्ड टाइम शुरू हो जाएगा.
Very true.
सॉफ्ट टाइम का टाइम बढ़ाने के लिए हार्ड टाइम कम कर दो. तो जब हार्ड टाइम कम कर दोगे या उतना रखोगे जितना रिक्वायर्ड है तो भी चलेगा. अरे 9 घंटा है तो भाई 9 घंटा तो कर लो, कम से 9 ही घंटा तो करो, 9 का 14 मत करो. मैं खुद इससे सफर किया हूँ एंड टाइम टू टाइम सफर करता हूँ, क्योंकि मेरा थोड़ा सा चैलेंज यहाँ पर डिफरेंट इसलिए है. Although I try to lead by practice, and we never promote this in our team.